Okay, we're about to go inside the fabrication shop. The fab shop builds steel structures ranging from small items such as clips and ladders to very large structures such as barge sections and crane booms. Often smaller pieces are built and then fitted together in the field or on board a ship. The work involves a large amount of material handling by cranes, forklifts, chain falls, and people. Typically, hot work is performed every day, all day, so welding, torch cutting, and grinding hazards are all around you. You need to be aware of these hazards and use good judgment to avoid injury to you and your coworkers. Specialized PPE, in addition to your other standard PPE, is needed while doing some of these jobs. Let's go over some of the specialized PPE we use in the fab shop. If you're welding, you must wear a welding shield. This PPE will protect your eyes, face, and neck from flash burns, ultraviolet light, sparks, infrared light, and heat. When burning or torch cutting, you must wear shaded lenses. Even though the light is not as intense as welding, you can receive flash burns. When grinding, you'll need a face shield. This will protect your face from sparks, heat, and debris. Hand protection is required for all of the work inside this shop. You'll need gloves specifically designed to protect you from cuts, scrapes, punctures, and heat. Air purifying respirators are used to protect you from inhaling harmful dusts, fumes, vapors, and gases. Okay, let's go inside the fabrication shop and see how much you were paying attention to the use of specialized PPE. Welcome to the fabrication shop. In here, we fabricate steel structures such as barges, flood control gates, and aircraft carrier compartments. Again, always wear the correct PPE for the job. Let's go in and take a look at what's happening here. Okay, this is Dave. He's about to do some grinding and a welding work on that deck plate. First, he'll be doing some grinding. Click the PPE items on the table that Dave will need to perform his tasks. When you've selected all of the proper PPE, click the button below and then send him off to work. Poor Dave, he can't see because you sent him to work with no eye protection, and his eyes were injured by the sparks and debris when he was grinding. Let's try this again. Click the PPE items on the table that Dave will need to perform his tasks.
Good job! Dave was wearing the proper PPE for grinding, air purifying respirators, a face shield, and hand protection.
Next, Dave will be doing some welding. Click the PPE items on the table that Dave needs to perform the next task, and let's send him to work again. Ouch! Dave's hands were seriously injured because you sent him to weld without any hand protection. Next, Dave will be doing some welding. Click the PPE items on the table that Dave needs to perform the next task, and let's send him to work again.
Good job! Dave is performing his task safely and without injury because he's wearing the correct PPE, gloves, air purifying respirators, and a welding shield.
Let's head outside and learn how to prevent heat stress.